I'll do it here.
What the heck was that?
All right, today we're gonna bring an irrigation system. Now, this is actually those that own ponds know about actually flowing air into the actual water by mixing it or making some bubbles or actually absorbing water and recycling it back up. This is a thing that they use for ponds and large areas where people have aquatic animals, aquatic life. They do need to oxygenate the water. Now, this whole system is set up here. They give you a long extension cord. Now, the extension cord can be cut, so you could add your junction box. This is a timer system and a airflow and a water flow, actually, right? So that's what it is for. This whole system sinks into the water, not all the way. It actually floats in the water. These are the flotation devices. These are the different nozzles that you have, all right? And of course, the screws are in here. Different nozzles for different type of actually water, splashing out water. So there's thickness and thinness, and of course, if you wanted to actually squeeze in some more water, you will have to tie it in this screw here. But if you want to loosen it up and get some more water, less water out, this is perfect. So they have three options. This is rotational. You could shoot it one way or another. So we're going to put this together and we're going to test it out so you guys can see how it works. All right, we just finished it. So I pushed these button things down, all right, and the other one's the opposite way, so as a safety thing, so one falls down, at least it's gonna grab on from the opposite end. This is the floating device that goes up, all right. This is automatic gonna float and pick up this entire thing. This is weights a couple pounds. I just opened it up some more so I could actually make sure it doesn't spread out too much, because I don't have a large place where I'm going to demo this. All right, so we're going to go ahead and put this together, take it to the yard, and I'm going to show you in the pool how it works.